Hello everyone. Today I'll share you some easy methods of addition and subtraction. Okay, then let's start. Here count the objects and add them and write the same. Otherwise we can also say object additions with numbers. Okay, here I've drawn some pictures of mangoes, so we'll count first that one. First I draw 1, 2, 3 mangoes, so write here 3 in the box. Here I've drawn 2 mangoes, so write here 2. So first let's count and write 3 and here 2. So in total now we'll count all 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this box we'll write 5. Okay, here no need to draw the 5 mangoes here, only I just draw here to make you understand. Okay, then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars are there, so write here 5. Here 3 stars, so write here 3. Then we count in total all the objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here the answer is 8. Okay, the answer is 8. Then come to next one. Here 4 balls are there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so write here 4. Here only 1 ball, so in the box we write here 1. So then we count in total how much balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this box we write here 5. Then next we'll do the addition through object additions. Here I draw some diamonds. Here first 2, here then next one 3. So count all in together 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So answer is 5. Here I draw some flowers. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So write here 7. Here some balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 dogs for 2. Here 3 apples, here 1 apple. So we'll do additions. The 1, 2, 3, 4. Total is 4. Okay. Then here additions by drawing lines. Okay. First here I've written 5 plus 5. So for 5 we draw first 5 lines. For second 5 we draw another 5 lines. Then we'll calculate all together. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So answer is 10. And it's the easiest way of doing additions. Okay, then 4 plus 2. First we draw 4 lines, then we draw 2 lines for 2. Then we count all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then the answer is 6. Right here 6. Then next 6 plus 3. Then for 6 we draw 6 lines and for 3 we draw 3 lines. Then we will count all together. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the answer is 9. Same plus 3 plus 1. We'll first draw 3 lines and for 1 we draw 1 line. Then we count all together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the answer is 4. Same for 7 plus 2. 7 lines, then 2 lines, 9. Then it comes to subtraction part. Subtraction with the help of object and numbers. First we draw here. I draw here 5 triangles. Then 5. Then I cut out here or left. Cut 2 triangles from that. Then I cut here 2. Then left how much? 1, 2, 3 are left. So the answer is 3. Write 3 in the box. Here I draw 3 leaves. So write here 3 in the box. Here I draw 1 leaf. So write 1. Then here 3 minus 1. So we cut 1 leaf from here. Then answer is 2. And here 3 boxes are there. 4 boxes are there. Or 4 squares. Write here 4. Then we cut 4 square from that. Okay, 3. Then we cut 4. Then for how much will 1 in? 1 only left. So the answer is 1. Okay, then subtraction by drawing the lines. Okay, then here I have written 5 minus 1 means will draw 5 lines. Okay, then I will cut out 1 from there. Okay, then rest 1, 2, 3, 4 are there left. Then answer is 4. Same with 8 minus 6. First we draw 8 lines, then we'll cut 6 lines from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then next only 2 are there left. Then 2 is the answer. Then 4 minus 1. Then first draw 4 lines and cut only 1 lines from there. and the answer is 3. And 9 minus 3, but we crossed 9 lines, then we cut 3 from there, then the left then we got our answer, and the answer is 6. Same, 7 minus 4, we got 3. Thank you.